Good morning, everybody. It's about 6 a.m. in the morning, and our little gardening slash farming season is in full tilt right now. Let's get in the shop. Hey Google, turn on shop light. And as we're used to with my channel, we have a mess. Someday, guys, I promise, someday I'll get this dealt with. But today, we are finally finishing the corn. I made a video a while back where I started planting the corn. And what I do is I spray for the weeds, and then I give them a couple weeks to die. And then I get it all mixed up and tilled up. I did a little tilling yesterday with the little, you probably can't see it. Yeah, sure you can, right in front of the tractor. The 4-stroke Craftsman 4-stroke trimmer with the cultivator attachment. Since my tiller's broken, I'm stuck using the cultivator to till probably everything this year. I did a little bit yesterday. I think I broke my back. I don't know what I did to it. It hurts really bad. I'm hoping that as the morning wears on, it'll start feeling better. But we'll just have to wait and see. But until then, let's do a couple things around here and get ready to plant some corn. So I changed my mind a little bit today, guys. My back hurts way too bad, so I think I'm just gonna do the bare minimum I have to get done. I got quite a bit of this cleaned up. I gotta mow the lawn, do a few little things like that, but I'll probably, if I even share this at all, I'll probably put it in, add it to a different video. I've got a backlog of them, so I can add a little skit. I did a sunrise time lapse. A lot longer than I really actually wanted to, because I went in and laid down and I couldn't get back up. So I gotta fix this wood pile that fell, but I am not feeling like picking up some of that stuff today, so I don't know. We'll see. I took a couple ibuprofen. If it gets better, it'll get better, and maybe I'll record more today. If not, yeah. Don't get old.